My name's Shawn Brandt, and I'm 37 years old, and I live just outside of Kansas City, Kansas. The biggest challenge I found in real estate is knowing how to find deals. And everybody talked about driving for dollars, but I live in a town of 183 people, and there's really not a whole lot of deals to have in my town. And so I was having to drive an hour north up into Kansas City and then drive around areas that I don't know, and I'd get lost. And it was just more of a hassle than it was worth. And so I kind of gave up on driving for dollars and I was going other routes. I was looking on the MLS, and I just wasn't having any luck and I was starting to get discouraged. And then I seen a Facebook post about Appraiva, and a lady had used it and she said it was good and it really helped her because she had a full-time job and she could drive for dollars for a neighborhood in a matter of a few minutes. Appraiva is great and makes it a lot easier because I want to run a batch on this zip code, and within a day, I've got the batch run, and then I'm sending out hundreds yellow letters, and so it's just huge time saver. I sent out 80 yellow letters, and I got 15 responses, and that is actually where I got my first deal. And long story short, I went and looked at it, submitted an offer, and I actually today just closed on finding financing for that deal. The thing that I love most about Appraiva is um it's so simple and easy to use, and it's easy to get a batch. I would recommend Appraiva to everybody.